What's the meaning of aversion therapy? Aversion therapy. Aversion therapy.
Aversion therapy. Aversion therapy. Aversion therapy is a type of behavioral therapy that aims to help people overcome unwanted habits or addictions by associating them with negative stimuli. This could involve pairing the habit with an unpleasant sensation, like a foul smell or mild electric shock, with the idea that the person will eventually learn to avoid the behavior altogether. The goal of aversion therapy is to weaken the connection between the habit and the positive feelings it produces, which can ultimately lead to lasting behavior change.